Hey there, Rena Wren here. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. I am a yoga teacher, educator, and content creator with many years of experience teaching yoga and training and coaching yoga teachers. So why am I here? Simply put, I'm here because I am passionate about helping you find balance in your life. I created this channel to share yoga classes and tips on healthy and balanced living. I also want to share tips, tools, and tutorials for yoga teachers so they can better serve their communities live and online. I invite you to subscribe to this channel so we can stay connected, and also click the bell icon so I can share with you first right away any new content that I've created just for you. Hop on over to renawren.com to check out all my course offerings. And one more thing before you go, I love hearing from you. So please comment and let me know how I can help you in yoga and in life. Thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.